Alright everyone, now let's open our web browser and then go to the address bar, type in XAMPP download. Okay, so when you type in XAMPP download, you're going to get a couple of links directing you to the download section. But mind you, you have to know you are visiting the right website, which is the Apache Friends website. Alright, so you just have to click on this link, download, or you open it in a new tab. Now it's time for us to select the version we want. Now you will have to choose the appropriate XAMPP version for your operating system. Are you using Windows? Are you using Linux? Are you using Mac OS? Okay, so you will have to choose what kind of operating system you are using. I am using Windows, so I'm going to download the Windows. So you have to click on the download button to download the installer file. For an offline setup, you have to make sure you download this file. Alright, so let's wait for the file to download. And good, we just saw the pop-up on our right top corner. It just said downloading. Now it's going to take a couple of minutes to finish the download. Okay, so I will skip some parts of this video and then we'll go back and see if it's done downloading. So if you don't see this downloading, perhaps I don't know what your setting is with your download. It might probably be in a different folder, so you have to check. If it's something that you don't know, just let me know, and I can do another tutorial letting you know how you can change your settings to the download, which is pretty easy. So we'll come back to the download if it's finishes. Someone may ask, why are we even doing this offline? It really helps. We are going to talk about it later on. Now we see the download is done. Okay, so we are going to open the folder, the file. Okay, so we just saw it's open. Let's double click to open it. If you don't see it here, go to your file explorer, go to your download section, and then you will see it. It will be the first item you have just downloaded. So you just double click on it, and then it's going to welcome you to the XAMPP app itself. Do not worry about this pop-up. I'm going to explain this to you later on. Don't worry, don't hesitate, or don't say, oh, I don't understand, why am I doing this? My dear, let's follow the steps. I'm going to explain this to you later on. Do not change the folder name or the file name, nothing. Let's move to next, and then it's going to do everything for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on next. Alright, so what kind of language do you want to use? English, Arabic? I'm using English. If you use Arabic, that's your own cup of tea, but it will be best if you use the English. Alright, so it says welcome to XAMPP. Now it's trying to unpack all the files to the folder we recently created. Okay, so I will have to also pause on this section because it's going to take a couple of minutes for it to finish the packing. Okay, so we will come back later on and then do it. Now let's go back to the reason why people, why people will be asking, why are we not doing this online but offline? Trust me, it's going to help you a lot when it comes to editing and then carrying everything along. You can do your edit anywhere, anyhow, whenever, however you want it. But if you do it online, you can't work without the internet. You have to make sure every day you have access to the internet before you can do your edits. But with the offline, you can do it with or without internet. Okay, so that is the two reasons why I prefer using the offline. When I'm done doing my website offline, I can just pack all my files and then upload them online. Okay, so let's wait for the setup to finish. It will be done soon, don't worry. It takes like few minutes. Okay, so please, if you are new to this channel, I will urge you to subscribe now and then turn on the notification bell so you will never miss any update. I am also going to leave some links in the description below if you want the link to download the XAMPP and some various steps. I'm going to put everything in the description box below. Okay, we are going to do a lot. Okay, don't worry. We are going to create our database. We are going to do this. We are going to do that. Do not worry. Okay, it's not difficult. if you don't have any experience, I mean, you know how to use computers, so we can do it. So let's just wait for it to finish, and then we are good to go. Let's go. It says completing the XAMPP setup wizard. Now it says finish. It's going to launch it because automatically we checked the box telling them that they should launch it immediately we finish installing it. So it's going to launch it for us. Okay. So we are waiting for it to launch. It will come up very soon. You don't need to worry. There you go. It's here. It says XAMPP control panel. Now we have the Apache and then we have MySQL. That is the two servers we are going to use often. Okay. Don't worry. We are going to create a database in the next video I'll be uploading. We are going to create our database. We are going to download our WordPress file. We are going to